My name is Rhobert Lewis, and I am the proud chair of the board of NPTC Group of Colleges. I want to congratulate all of our students on their achievements today. Your successes are the result of your own dedication and hard work. Each of you have played your part in maintaining our reputation as an excellent provider of education and training. I hope you will look back on your time with us with fond memories. You now join an illustrious group of former students who have also successfully studied with us. You will see your friendships with your fellow students develop over many years. You all share the same background as alumni of the NPTC Group of Colleges, something you can be very proud of. For many of you, the next leg of your journey will be higher education. Your education with us has prepared you for anything you will encounter at university. Be confident, work hard, and you will flourish. But enjoy this time too, and make new friends to add to the ones you have made with us. Many of you will also be entering the workforce. Your time with us has given you the qualifications and training you need to take the next step, and we look forward to hearing of your successes as you make your mark in your chosen profession. The achievement of our students today is testimony to the hard work of our staff. I would like to thank all of our staff, whatever your role. We always say, you change lives. From all of the Board of Governors and myself, thank you. We are proud of our students and staff who have once again exemplified the ethos of this group of colleges by living and breathing our motto, More nag addysg yn unig, more than just an education.